Hello everyone, I'm Anita, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce. Today we are going to see about the topic is accounting methods and techniques. From the subject is cost control, techniques and audit. Let's get into the topic is fundamentals approaches to casting. There is have a few methods. First one is historical casting and the second one is standard casting. Historical casting is nothing but its most basic method where actual casting increased during the specific period of recording. It provides the post-event views and help in evaluating the performance. While useful for preparing financial statement, historical casting has limited value of forwarded plan or budgeting. In the second method, standard casting set the casting for material, labor and overcast. Actual costs are later compared to their standard to determine variations. This technique is widely used for budgeting and performance evaluation to ensure cost control and variable analysis helps to identify inefficiency in performance or management to the better one. Next, we are going to see the decision making with variable cost. There is two things. First one is managerial costing. The second one is contribution margin. This technique contributions only variable cost in decision making, fixed cost as a period of control cost and evaluate from the production cost. Managerial cost is useful to analysis the profitability of products, efficiency when the decision of pricing, product max and max or buying decisions. The contribution margin calculate as selling minimum variable cost. This is key features of marginal costing. The key things are for the second method, break-even analysis, cost value profit analysis and profit planning. Next one is absorption costing and uniform costing. What is the absorption costing and uniform costing? The absorption costing is nothing but under this method, all costs both fixed and variable are included in the first one. This absorption into the cost of the product, it is computed with accounting standards and is used to improve the valuation of the process. This profitability in the short term by allocating fixed overhead when the production value changes. In the second method, uniform costing, the techniques involved using the same costing principles and practices across firms in an industry. Performance standards common used to government regular sectors of the industries formation. Uniform costing help to benchmark a policy formation. Then specialized production costing, the job costing and batch costing. Job costing is nothing but production is done assessing the specific orders of projects. The cost accrued as per the job, making the situation in the industry like consistency in the printout method. Each job is treated as a spending cost unit and direct costing as early transactions. Overhead is allocated based on the pre-decision rates. The bench costing is similar to that traded on the cost unit. It's suitable for the industry where production is done in lot, such as evaluating method will be used in this. Cost is calculated for the each batch that then divided by the number units of the unit cost. Next one is mass production and service costing. There is two things. First one is process costing, the another one is operating costing. Process costing is nothing but it claims the process on the costing in the production purpose. The cost of the production process are included in the cash flow method. It used to avoid the wastage and improving the production speed and quality. Next one is operation costing is nothing but the service costing. After the selling the product, how we going to the give the services to the production method. For the example, transportation, hospitality, power changing, these are all included in the service costing. Next one is modern costing management techniques. In the modern cost, what are the techniques are included in the process? The activity based costing, second one is learn accounting. Activity based costing is nothing but the ABC company, how they calculating the entire the process of the strategic decision, pricing, allocation to the entire the process. Learning accounting is nothing but the learning manufacturer principles. Thank you.